Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. It's Sunday. I hope you all are doing well, and I just want to welcome you guys. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Temie. Welcome. Please do stick around, like and subscribe, please. Anyway, so today's Sunday and it's early. It's not very early, but it's early because Sunday service starts at 11, so I have about 3 hours. So I figured, let me get up and do what I need to do. I want to wash my hair. I usually wash my hair on I will wash it on a Friday night, deep condition Saturday morning-ish, and then put it back in a protective style in the afternoon or whatever. I try to take my time so I'm not so tired or stressed throughout the whole wash day. So, but today it's gonna be like a full-on everything because I kind of just wanna, I think I said in one of my old videos, I wanna just get through to it and make it easy. So I have a bunch of stuff over here. I'm gonna show you all this concoction that I always experiment with, because after service, after Sunday service, my goal is to go to my mom or my sister's place. My mom is there, and I want her to help me braid my hair in like a top. They call it shuku in my language, in Yoruba. My goal is to do that because I was watching, I think it was Yinka Naturalista is her name. She was saying something about how she tries to keep her scalp moisturized or at least oiled during the time her hair is under a protective style. And in order to do that effectively without also tugging at my hair, I'm going to tell her to not pull too hard on my hair. So that's my goal for this Sunday so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's chill Sunday vlog. Okay, so this is all I'm working with. I just want to start briefly. I'll start from right here all the way right here. This is my Fenugreek infused shea butter that I had made several videos ago. I'm gonna link how I created this in the description. This is the shampoo that I'll be using. This is Honey's Handmade Honey Cleansing Buttermilk shampoo. I'll be using this container to create my Fenugreek deep conditioner, and I had on my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. I also want to have a little bit of Fenugreek water. This has been sitting for at least 24 hours to create a Fenugreek water in here. This will be like a sprit to just sprit my hair. This is more for hydration. This is for protein. Regular go-to oil so far right now are the lavender for smell, rosemary, and peppermint. And I'm gonna be putting a leave-in conditioner in my hair. So now I'm going to be separating the fenugreek water from the fenugreek seeds in order to blend up the seeds and then separate the water and use some of the water. Now I'm going to be adding the oils that I mentioned, peppermint, lavender, and tea tree oil to the water, and then I'm going to add some of the water into a bottle for the fenugreek spritz that I wanted to create. Now I'm going to blend up the seeds and add some of the fenugreek water in order to blend it. You need a lot of water. So if you run out of your fenugreek water, just keep adding regular, maybe distilled water to the blender until you blend smoothly. Now I'm going to sift or drain or separate the fenugreek from the seeds because you don't want that in your hair either. Keep in mind this consistency of the fenugreek is very sticky and slimy. You don't want to get it all over the place, so make sure you wash your hand after squeezing it all out. I mean, trust me, you do not want this in your hair. You don't want this in your hair at all. Okay, so this is my fenugreek deep conditioner. That's how much I got. I'm gonna put the amount that I think I might need in here and then store the rest in here and put it in the refrigerator. I have my fenugreek water here. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for whenever I need it and just use it to spritz my hair. Now, if you don't like the consistency of this, because it is kind of sticky and a little bit less thick than the regular store-bought conditioners that we use, you can always add any store-bought conditioner that you already have to it, but be mindful, this is protein, high in protein already. So if you buy any other like protein infused deep conditioner, like this one has protein in it, this also has protein in it. It has rice protein in it. This is the Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Hydrating Deep Conditioner. But I would say maybe go with something that's a little bit more handmade. These are two of my favorite handmade deep conditioner or hair mask that you could use. I'm not gonna add it to this today because I really just want to stick to like DIY conditioner for today. I mean, there are times I'll just grab these, but these are my go-to. If I wanted like a thicker consistency, I can add it to this so that it can have a little bit more thickness to it. This is very slimy, so it's still not really just glide right through my hair. Another thing is, I believe you're supposed to still condition your hair after this, because your hair could feel a little hard, and if it does, then you need to use like a leave-in conditioner. Like when you wash it out, use another conditioner in it. So I could even go back and add one of this conditioner and put it in my hair, or any kind of other conditioner, but after you already applied this. So this is more of like a protein treatment. Okay guys, so I'm upstairs now because I gotta get my son ready, and I'm actually gonna be just streaming service on my phone while I'm getting him ready, because I haven't gotten a chance to put the conditioner in my hair yet. Once I'm done getting him ready, he's fed and all that, then I'll go back downstairs and apply the conditioner. Right now I'm just gonna let it air dry, kind of, in a way. It's really not gonna dry completely. It's gonna be pretty much damp by the time I'm ready to put the conditioner in. From the inside, from the inside of me. It smells like peppermint and lavender. I gotta get more into the roots, so I'm gonna get into the roots now. But my hand's literally gliding through, plus I think the gloves is also helping. Alright, so I'm done applying the Fenugreek conditioner. This is what I have left, very little. Just wanted to show you the end result. Yeah, oof, what is this? Okay, I'm not the best at twisting, but this is gonna go under the, I have like disposable shower caps, and then I'm gonna sit under the dryer. As you can see, my hair is already sort of steaming up from even my own body temperature. I'm gonna put it on my head. Ah, yes, that feels good.
I can't tissue, please. I give it tissue, please.
Oh yes, babe. Sorry about that. Yeah. That medicine is working. It's really, really getting all those. Blow your nose. Blow. Blow. This feels really good. I love that. I'm so glad I was able to fix this because this is so easy to walk around, do other stuff, and get myself together.
Before I post another video comment, but I enjoy it.
I'm so sleepy. I'm gonna wash this out now. Just let it soak out the water a little bit.
Mommy, look at me. My sister, she.
What are you doing? Why do you have that on?
I had that on, but Daddy put it on.
Why did Daddy put it on you?
Because it's cold upstairs.
Oh, but where's your socks?
It's on my chair. Right here.
Okay, put it on. Check your feet. On the feet. And then you need to blow your nose.
Daddy,
Get the tissue. Get the tissue. Blow. 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 Yeah,
all I want to say is that Android is so much better than Apple's phone.
Whatever. Story. China. Shebi China no ni yapun share Samsung abi Japan.
No, Japan.
Ekpele. Ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ ra iPhone. Tẹ fẹ́ wà ní orí the same ecosystem. Me, I still like Apple. Period. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. This is pretty much what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna go stretch it upstairs in the bathroom. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys quickly what I've sort of started doing again. I would first spray this in my hand, which is the Pantene Gold Series Dermal Heat Protector infused with argan oil. I would spray it in my hand, then apply it, and then I will now use this olive oil heat protecting serum on top of it. Then I go. So I'm gonna spray it now because I already used one coat of the spray, and then I'm gonna apply it like so, just with my hand. This time around I'm using my hand, not without a glove. My hair is pretty detangled really, so I'm just glad that it just makes the blow drying really, really easy. But yeah, so I apply the heat protector like that, then I take just a little bit of this. Okay, this ORS olive oil heat protecting serum. A little bit of my hand, and then I just apply it to my damp hair. My hair is still damp even with my leave-in that I had earlier, the aloe vera, all of that. My hair feels soft and damp, and it feels really nice, really, pretty much. I start on cool, go like 1 or 2, then I go quickly to high, which is like 1 or 2, then I go to low, 1 or 2, back to cool. That's pretty much what I've been doing. So this is it. So my hair is pretty much, this is the texture I want it to be so that it'll be easier to braid. This is already, these two are already stretched. I'm gonna do the rest now. So multi-stretch is so ma make it easy láti braid.
Okay.
Alright, let's shake on. Let's shake. Alright, I'll use soon. Okay, so I pretty much, this is my hair. I had it braided. So I didn't want it too tight, so it's not tight at all. I just want to be able to put my oil on my scalp. So I'll be using the wild growth oil. So that's what I'll be putting in my hair. Oh man, it's been a long day, y'all. A long one, but I'm just glad I'm able to execute what I had in mind, which is this protective style till the next wash day. But I'm happy that my hair is growing because that's the goal, you know? Putting in the work, putting in the time. Yeah, praise the Lord. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you in my next one.